Welcome back, our friends. If you eat honey constantly, you're very lucky, because you chose one of the best foods on earth. And if you haven't eaten honey yet, it is necessary to follow this video to the end, because you should not leave honey after you learn about the benefits and secrets of honey for your body, which we have collected for you based on the latest studies. Make coffee and subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. 1. Honey is a rich source of energy for adults and children. Honey is a highly valuable food and is used as a food for children and adults. Honey does not need to be refined, and you can save honey for a long time when stored properly. Honey compensates for sugars consumed due to physical or mental exertion. You can also use honey to treat weight loss and thinness. 2. Honey is antibacterial and antimicrobial. Honey is like antibiotics, as honey is able to kill many microbes in the body, viruses and fungi. Honey also interacts with cells in the body to release antiseptic substances that reduce inflammation. A new study conducted by the Australian University of Sydney has shown that honey has an amazing power to kill viruses and fierce bacteria that are resistant to antibiotics. Researcher De Carter, Associate Professor at the Faculty of Biological and Microbial Sciences at the University of Sydney, says our research showed us that honey can replace many antibiotics used to treat wounds, such as various ointments and creams. Using honey in treatment will increase the life of antibiotics. Another study showed that honey has properties that can fight germs. Honey is also effective against bacteria that have developed their immune systems to resist antibiotics, making it difficult to resist them with drugs. 3. Honey reduces the level of cholesterol and triglycerides in the body. As an alternative to refined and processed sweeteners, honey contributes to the prevention of many problems of obesity, heart disease and atherosclerosis. Honey also reduces cholesterol levels, specifically low-density lipoprotein, LDL, levels, which is the harmful type of cholesterol. High levels of low-density lipoprotein, LDL, can increase a person's risk of angina, chest pain, heart disease, heart attacks, and strokes. In a recent study of overweight individuals, participants who ate 70 grams of natural honey per day for a maximum of 30 days showed a 6% reduction in LDL cholesterol, compared to those who ate 70 grams of sucrose, a form of sugar. Patients who ate honey also experienced an 11% reduction in triglycerides, the most common type of body fat. 4. Honey protects against gastrointestinal diseases. Unlike refined and simple sugars such as sucrose, honey does not ferment in the stomach, as it does not stay long. Honey is fast to digest, so honey does not pose any risk of bacterial invasion of the body. Honey passes directly from the small intestine to the bloodstream without causing any irritation in our digestive system as sucrose does. One clinical trial also found that one of the benefits of honey is that it helps treat indigestion. Honey treats intestinal infections. Honey also treats constipation. It is considered a mild laxative, because it increases bowel activity. Honey also treats digestive disorders, as it helps to eliminate excess acidity in the stomach, which often leads to ulcers or so-called stomach ulcers. Many doctors have used honey to treat stomach and duodenal ulcers and treat digestion problems. 5. Honey preserves teeth and protects gums. Honey plays an essential role in maintaining teeth and preventing them from caries and their proper growth. Honey also has a role in strengthening and protecting gums. Some studies have shown that eating honey or putting it on the gums can help eliminate bad oral bacteria, which cause gum disease, such as caries and plaque buildup, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Honey contains many antibacterial and antifungal agents. Therefore, honey helps to get rid of mouth ulcers and prevent their spread by applying honey to the affected area, because honey has anti-inflammatory properties, so eating honey on an empty stomach helps treat gingivitis. Honey can also be used topically on the inflammation area to calm pain is severe. Honey cleanses the mouth and eliminates microbes and germs that cause caries and gingivitis. Bee honey is also used topically to remove inflammation of the oral mucosa because it contains proax. 6. Honey protects against cancer. A medical team has found new results that indicate the possibility of the effect of Manuka honey on cancer cells, after the initial study conducted by the team in advance on the role of honey in fighting cancer. This discovery paves the way for developing a new understanding of how honey can be used to fight one of the most serious diseases in the world. Research has shown that small amounts of Manuka honey can prevent the growth of several types of cancer cells, including skin cancer, breast cancer, and colon cancer. Honey also contains vitamins and antioxidants. In fact, one of the unique antioxidants called pinosembrin is found only in honey. Antioxidants are known to play a great role in preventing cancer and preventing the proliferation of cancer cells, especially in cases of esophageal cancer, oral cancer, bowel cancer, and stomach cancer. Studies are being conducted on the role of honey and intermittent fasting in fighting cancer. 7. Honey treats cough. According to many researchers, honey is an effective and safe treatment in treating children's cough from drugs used without a prescription. Honey helps to remove phlegm, throat inflammation, and relieve cough. Thus, honey is used in the manufacture of many cough medications. Using a mixture of honey and lemon helps to calm the throat and inflammation caused by coughing. Honey can also be used only as it is effective to get rid of cough. Giving young children 2 tablespoons of honey before bed helps to significantly reduce the cough that affects them at night times. Honey and lemon also give the sick person calm and comfort in order to enjoy a good sleep. Honey is useful for treating cough, such as dextromethorphan, which is found in pharmacies and is used to treat cough. Honey with lemon contributes to getting rid of phlegm associated with coughing significantly, giving comfort when sleeping. Honey with lemon also helps treat congestion associated with colds. A recent study examined the effect of honey on children between 1 and 5 years of age with nocturnal cough. Part of the participants used 10 milligrams of honey, while the other part used a cough medicine before bed. The results found a significant improvement. 8. Honey promotes hemoglobin and prevents anemia. Many researchers have found that honey has an effective role in regulating blood pressure and increasing hemoglobin in the blood. Honey also contains a huge percentage of iron and important nutrients in increasing the production of red blood cells. Anemia can be treated using honey, as every 100 grams of honey contains 6 milliliters of iron, which makes honey the best food to treat anemia. Honey also contains iron, copper, and manganese. When these elements are combined, they help in the synthesis of hemoglobin. When severe anemia occurs, energy decreases, so raw honey is a great energy booster in the body. 9. Honey is very useful for athletes. Honey is a source to provide the body with energy and raise the level of blood sugar, glucose, in a short period of time. Thus, honey is the best choice to provide athletes with energy and help them train and perform physical exertion. Using honey as a source of carbohydrates during exercise helps to significantly improve performance, especially during endurance races and cycling. 10. Honey treats wounds and burns. Honey contains the enzyme responsible for producing hydrogen peroxide, which makes honey useful in treating wounds, relieving pain, and preventing germs and bacteria from growing by creating an acidic environment, and thus preventing them from inflammation. Many studies have shown that the topical use of honey on superficial burns helps to heal them significantly and effectively. Honey also helps to heal wounds faster. Studies conducted on honey have confirmed the ability of honey to heal wounds by using it locally on the affected area. It was found that honey treats burns, severe wounds, or after surgical scars and ulcers. In addition to treating some skin lesions and diseases, including psoriasis and hemorrhoids. 11. Honey is good for skin and eyes. It was found that honey has benefits for the skin, as honey helps to purify the skin. Honey is used to treat eczema, psoriasis, and acne, because honey has antibacterial properties. Honey also contributes to relieving dry skin and cracks in the feet. Thus, honey is used in the manufacture of many cosmetic products and soaps that help to rejuvenate the skin. It is also used in the preparation of eye treatment ointments. Honey is useful in treating eyelid and corneal inflammation and ulcers. Honey is very useful for many types of skin diseases. These studies have also shown that honey consists of a completely natural substance. Honey can be applied directly to the skin. Honey can be used as an ideal home treatment to rehabilitate the skin and relieve dry skin because honey has distinctive therapeutic properties such as its ability to moisturize the skin and heal, in addition to considering honey anti-inflammatory. 12. Honey has a positive effect on the nervous system. Honey is considered a sedative for the body. Eating honey before bed contributes to calming the nervous system and improving the health of the nervous system. Honey reduces sleep disorders such as insomnia and irregular bedtime. Raw honey has antidepressant and anxiety-relieving properties. Honey contributes to neurological health in general. Some studies show that honey helps improve memory function. Bee honey is a good food for memory as honey contains a small amount of antioxidants that make brain cells work better, increasing memory and treating forgetfulness. Honey also prevents damage to nerve cells in the brain. A recent study revealed the importance of bee honey in strengthening memory in women after menopause. Honey stimulates brain cells and memory, and honey strengthens brain cells and stimulates them to work perfectly, which strengthens memory in women. 13. Honey has antioxidant properties. The antioxidants in honey help to fight free bodies in the body. Free bodies are chemicals produced through physical processes such as food metabolism, or from external sources such as pollution. In large quantities, free bodies can destroy genetic material and cells, increasing the risk of cancer and cardiovascular disease. Honey contains a variety of antioxidants, including glucose oxidase, ascorbic acid, a form of vitamin C, phenolic acids, and flavonoids. 14. Honey increases sexual desire in men and women. This is because honey contains boron, which contributes to maintaining hormonal balance in the body. Bee honey is better able to increase sex drive if it is extracted from some flowers, such as jasmine and orchid. It is also responsible for increasing testosterone, hence the emergence of primary and secondary male sexual characteristics such as rough voice, growth of mustache and beard, and increased hair in the body. The benefits of honey for sex are not limited to men, but there are many studies that have shown that white honey has many benefits for women. Honey increases fertility in women and improves the health of the ovaries and uterus in women. Honey enhances sexual ability by increasing sexual desire, as well as improving reproductive health in the male and female reproductive system. Recent research has shown that honey has positive effects on sexual health. One study found that honey increases sexual desire and improves sexual function in rats. Another study also showed that honey improves sexual desire and satisfaction in women with low sexual desire. 15. Honey is a substitute for sugar and sweetener. Both sugar and honey contain glucose and fructose, which are the substances responsible for sweetening. Although honey gives more calories than sugar, a small amount of honey can be used to sweeten, instead of using a large amount of sugar to get the same effect, as honey sweetens twice as much sugar. 16. Honey contains phytonutrients. These phytonutrients are responsible for honey's antioxidant, antifungal, and antibacterial benefits. This helps reduce inflammation. Honey contains phenolic compounds and flavonoids, which scientists have found contains a powerful anti-inflammatory. Honey has an important role in healing wounds and fighting chemicals, microorganisms and bacteria. Honey also maintains blood pressure levels in the body. Scientists agree that honey is very beneficial for cardiovascular and arterial health. Honey also improves digestion and promotes intestinal health. 17. Manuka honey is good for the respiratory system. There are many health benefits of Manuka honey. Manuka honey is produced by honeybees, which pollinate Manuka bushes in New Zealand and Australia. Manuka honey is now used worldwide as a natural medicine, and is approved by the FDA in treating skin ulcers. Manuka honey also treats ulcers, sore throat, upper respiratory tract and inflammation. Manuka honey is good for intestinal health and treats skin problems and much more. 18. Honey benefits your lungs and has multiple benefits. Honey isn't just great because it's naturally sweet and delicious. Honey offers some amazing health benefits as well. Honey is rich in antioxidants that can lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol, lower triglycerides, and reduce the risk of blood clot formation in the arteries. This is important for the respiratory system because it helps the heart and lungs together to pump blood throughout the body. Increased blood flow makes your lungs work better. Honey has soothing effects that can relieve cough and sore throat, helping the body get rid of excess mucus and secretions. This helps make sure your airways are safe, so your lungs can take in oxygen while removing carbon dioxide. 19. The colors of honey indicate the magnitude of the benefits of honey. Honey starts in the form of flower nectar that is broken down into simple sugars stored inside the honeycombs. Honey has many colors that indicate the types of fruits from which the bees drank. This resulted in the creation of that multicolored sweet liquid. The type of flower affects the color, taste, shape, and smell of honey. So, there are many types of honey, which should be studied to learn what happens in your body when you start eating honey every day and what are the benefits you get from eating honey. 20. Honey is the only product that has everything necessary. The ingredients that keep you alive and well are vitamins, enzymes, minerals, and water. Honey is sweet, made by bees, and loved by kids and adults. But honey has also been around for millions of years. This honey will never deteriorate if it is kept in an airtight place. After knowing all these benefits of honey, you are sure to eat a spoonful of honey every day. It is certain that you will subscribe to the channel to join the special followers of Like channel.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Like channel to receive all new news.